Hi everyone, welcome to Debug Blogs. So today in this video I'm going to share off campus of Cognizant for 2019, 2020, 2021 batches. So let's begin this video. So before this video, let me explain few things. Like few days before in this channel I explain regarding that experienced candidate and fresher candidate. So for fresher I explained that about 50,000 new post, and for experienced candidate approx 70-80,000. So if you are fresher of 2019, 2020 and 21 batch, so this video is for you. You can apply. So last date is 24th October. So let's begin. Let's see what are the criterias and what are the requirement and what are the documents you have to be prepared with for this. So compensation will be 4.0 to 4.5 LPA. So for first year, like when you join for that year, it will be around 4 LPA, and after confirmation it will be 4.5 LPA. You can pause this video and read this job description. Let me explain how you can apply. So this superset direct link I will provide you in description. You can check out to that. Before jumping to that website, please watch carefully. Otherwise your application may be rejected. So like this website will be open, and this Cognizant Agency Developer designation will be PAT Programmer Analyst Trainee. So this is off campus for 2019, 2020 and 21 graduates. So last deadline is for this application like 24th October. So till 24 October you can apply, and CTC you can see like 4 LPA to 4.5 LPA, and the job functional area is like engineering, web software and information technology. This JD you can read. You can pause this video and you can read. Main thing I will explain in this video. Check out this eligibility criteria. First of all, it's for 2019, 2020 and 21 batches, whatever that BTech, BE, ME, MTech and MCA, MSc, these are the courses. If you have done with 60% throughout your career, you can apply this application. So no standing area in current education, and maximum 2 years education gap is required. Like if you have more than 2 years, you are not eligible for this recruitment. So overall main criteria you can check, like you need strong communication 60%, and talking about the documents required, like resume maximum 2 pages and 1 passport size photograph, academic mark sheet and certificate for verification, and government IDs, then Aadhaar card, PAN card, passport. If you don't have passport, apply ASAP, because whatever company you will apply, it is necessary. So as of now you can apply, and during that BGP you can provide later. When you will apply, you have to provide some email address. So after providing email address, you can click over register and apply. So after clicking over that, you will get few forms like basic details, contact details, current and most recent education, internship, work experience and profile and all. So first of all, basic details: name, date of birth, father's name, gender, college name, email IDs, phone number. These are the information you have to fill in this form. So next, so after completing basic details, it will next form will be contact details, then current and most recent education details, previous education details, internship and work experience details, profile photo and documents details, and these documents you have to provide, like resume, photograph and IDs proof. So these are the forms you have to apply. So in this way you can apply for this recruitment of campus, and further information I will provide through this channel. So please hit the like button. If you want notification, you can subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. You can pause this video and please refer this eligibility criteria carefully. So let's meet in another video. Please subscribe this channel. Till then, take care.